Hola a todos y bienvenidos. Welcome to a new episode of Español en 3 minutos. In each episode of Español en 3 minutos, we're going to take a close look at an important idea that will help you with your Spanish conversations. Vamos! Today we're going to look at the verb pagar, and we're going to answer a student question. Is it pagar or pagar por or pagar para? Well, let's start with an example. I'm going to pay the bill. This translates really well into Spanish. Voy a pagar la cuenta. Voy a pagar la cuenta. Now, in addition to paying bills in English, we can also pay for something. For example, I'm going to pay for dinner. This in Spanish would be voy a pagar por la cena. Voy a pagar por la cena. Now, this is totally acceptable in Spanish, but unlike English, we can drop the por, and sometimes that even sounds more natural. Voy a pagar la cena. Voy a pagar la cena. Another example, I need to pay for drinks. Necesito pagar por las bebidas. Necesito pagar por las bebidas. Or we can drop the por. Necesito pagar las bebidas. Necesito pagar las bebidas. Now, instead of paying for an item, food or clothing or a gift, it might be that someone is paying me to work, to live, or to teach. For example, they're paying me to live here. This in Spanish would be me pagan por vivir aquí. Me pagan por vivir aquí. Now, we can't drop the por here. If we ever have a verb with pagar, we can't say pagan vivir. We really need the por. However, we can swap a por for a para, but this changes the meaning of the sentence. Me pagan para vivir aquí. Me pagan para vivir aquí. This means that they are paying me so that they can live here instead of me getting paid as a job to live somewhere. So when we use para with pagar, we are paying in order to get something. We are paying to see, to do, to visit, etc. Another example, we have to pay in order to go inside. This in Spanish would be tenemos que pagar para entrar. Tenemos que pagar para entrar. Now, another really useful application with pagar is paying by different methods. So a question that I have personally asked hundreds of times in Spanish, can you pay by card? Or can one pay by card, which is more natural in Spanish? Se puede pagar con tarjeta. Se puede pagar con tarjeta. Okay, let's do some practice together. I'm going to pay for the coffee. How do we say this in Spanish? Voy a pagar por el café, or voy a pagar el café. You don't have to pay to see the movie. How do we say this in Spanish? No tienes que pagar para ver la película. No tienes que pagar para ver la película. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this lesson. Please like the video, subscribe, and ring the bell so you'll be notified of all upcoming episodes of Español en 3 minutos. Now, if you have any other topics you would like me to cover, please let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks so much for watching. Gracias por ver, and until next time, habla mejor, entiende más.